you're experiencing a login failure in PUBG with the error code 2026, follow these steps to resolve the issue and regain access to your account. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official PUBG server status page or their social media channels to determine if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close the PUBG application completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection and may resolve temporary glitches causing the login failure. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that your PUBG game is updated to the latest version. Go to the platform store Steam, Xbox, etc. and check for any available updates. Download and install them if necessary. Step 4. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them, which can fix login issues. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling PUBG. This can resolve persistent issues by providing a fresh installation of the game. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure issue and get back to playing PUBG. If problems persist, consider reaching out to PUBG support for further assistance.